ICH Q14 guideline is for the analytical procedure development, or you can say for the analytical method development, as like ICH Q8, which is for product development. The ICH Q14 is for analytical method development. ICH guidelines provide the requirements for meeting the regulatory standards. ICH Q14 is the guideline from the ICH, and it provides or gives the principles for developing the analytical methods. As we know that the pharmaceutical products should meet the quality requirements, quality standards, so that the product will be safe and effective. And safety and efficacy is assessed through the quality testing, and quality testing is done through the analytical methods. So these analytical methods are required to be specific and should meet the standards. ICH Q14 provides the focus on whole life cycle of the method. As like we know regarding the product life cycle, there is a life cycle for the analytical method also, because analytical method cannot be same all the time. There might be some changes, there might be updations. So ICH Q14 is required to be understood. Why ICH Q14 is important? It improves the method understanding. As like product understanding, there should be a method understanding also. It makes the method development more systematic. So how the method is required to be developed, that is given in this ICH Q14 guideline. It helps to ensure quality and reliability of results. It encourages flexibility in making the changes. As we do changes in the products and still meet the safety, quality and efficacy requirements, or these are required to be complying to the standards. Similarly, the method should meet the standards, and ICH Q14 encourages flexibility in making the changes to the methods. Key topics in the ICH Q14 are analytical target profile, that is ATP. Analytical target profile is the understanding about the method requirement, means what we are going to test and what is the requirement. Then method selection and optimization, validation and performance characteristics. Also, it provides the understanding about continual method monitoring. These are the key points, key topics of the ICH Q14. ICH Q2 guideline is for the validation, and ICH Q14 is for the method development and method performance and method changes and method life cycle. Now see the analytical target profile. ATP, that means what you want to have with your method, what you want your method to do, and ATP defines the objective of the method. Examples are precision, range, sensitivity, accuracy. A risk-based approach, identify risk that can impact the method, control the crucial variables and improve the robustness of the procedure. Validation approach. ICH Q14 supports the validation in different ways. Traditional validation by checking the fixed parameters. Performance based approach show the method meets the analytical target profile, that is ATP. Continuous monitoring. Analytical procedure is not fixed forever. Continual monitoring of the method performance is must and is required. Adjust the method when it is required. These are the validation approach. What are the benefits of the ICH Q14? Efficient method development will be there with the principles provided by ICH Q14. It reduces the unnecessary experiments, better knowledge sharing with the regulators, and easier method transfers. Summary of the ICH Q14: it improves the method, it improves how we can develop and manage the methods, and it focuses on the life cycle management, it focuses on the quality by design concept, and ICH Q14 principles can lead to better analytical procedures and smoother regulatory reviews. Because these methods should be proper, should be meeting the regulatory requirements, then only the product can be tested. And if the product is tested with the validated, properly developed analytical methods, then you can say that the product is meeting the regulatory requirements. So this was the small video, short video on ICH Q14, and I will be making more elaborative videos on the principles of ICH Q14. Thank you for watching the video.